Shri Radhe, today we are going to do the unboxing of Krone Amplifier digital player. You can see image here also, it is amplifier. You can see, I will also tell you about the sound qualities, about the functions, about the capacity, and also test you this. Okay, so let's begin. So here you can see the image, it is mic 1 switch, mic 2 switch, mic 1, mic 2 is mic 1 volume, it is mic 2 volume, it is mic 1, it is mic 2 and aux, and it is aux also. Okay, so here is mic 1. So here in this mic 1 we can use it for mic 1 only, but in mic 2 we can also use this at mic 2 volume and for the volume of the Bluetooth device. Okay, it is also used for Bluetooth device or aux device. This is the sound system. So here you can see the little function. So there is USB. If we want to connect it with Bluetooth or aux, so we will put this here, and from this for mic 2 we will shift it here. Okay, I will also tell you in the amplifier. First see this. This is channel, this is tone, this is on button. If it is on, it will indicate light, and this is power option. Okay, I will now we will tell you it in amplifier. So let's begin. And if you are new in our channel, so you can subscribe it. So now I will tell you, here is the amplifier. So first we have to on this power button. Okay, you can connect wire to the device. Now it will tell Bluetooth mode. Okay, now it is paired. So now this is mic 1 option. You can see here, this is mic 1 option. In mic 1 we can use mic 1 as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will tell you, see, this is mic 1 switch. You can put here on mic 1. फिर आगे ये देखिए माइक 1 का स्विच है, जिससे हमें पता चले कि माइक 1 में कैसे किस प्रकार माइक 1 यूज होगा. तो here we can put the mic. So mic की wire, here is the mic wire, it is doing too much noise here. So mic 1, mic 2 aux, this is mic 2 volume function, this is mic 1 volume function. Okay, and we can use it as also volume as well. Okay, this is tone. If you off it, the tone will off, it will not noise, so this is fine. Or okay, this is we can change mode here from here. This is FM mode now. This is AUX mode, and this is free. So we want Bluetooth mode. So here we can go. So let's do the quality check. It will also came with this remote. So it is also good remote. You can see here. Okay, this is just a remote. And now I will tell you about its music. So let's begin. I had used this, first I will tell you, I had used this computer mics in it. If you want to do big shows, so you can also put big mics on it. And first I will forget it. This is its back function. Here is 4 channels, so you can put 4 wires. Okay, and here is on off button. Okay, this is its back function. Back functions are very good. And this is air condenser. Okay, so let's do the sound check. Now we will do the sound check. So here is volume function, so I will put it in middle. So let's begin. Here the light also indicates it is, you can see it is ball right now. It's very low. So you can see its sound quality, and if I will see you the sound quality in mic, sometime I will make noise. Okay. I will tell you this correction. You have to put it in only 5. If you 5 and 6, if you make this one mic to 10, so it will make a noise. Okay, so let's. I will also tell you, so you can see what about the mic quality. What is the mic quality? So I will tell. Yam pravrajantamanupetamapetकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विहरकातर आजुभाव पुत्रेति तन्मयातया तरवो विनेदं स्तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमान्यतेषु. देखिए बहुत अच्छा. Now you had seen this amplifier. It is very good. Its price is nearly 2000. Okay, so you can buy it from Flipkart. I will also provide you link in the description, so you can go there. And if you want to buy from other site, you can buy it. It is very simple and very normal amplifier. You can see also its size. It is it is in rectangle size, not it is in square or rectangular. ओके, एंड वेरी गुड है. ओके, तो आपको अब प्रोवाइड तो ये कहूँगा आप लीजिए अगर आपको एम्पलीफायर लेना है. एंड इफ आई विल ऑल्सो टेल इफ़ यू आर न्यू इन दिस चैनल, you can subscribe to our channel, like the video and share to others who want this video. Okay, so thank you for watching. Jai Jai Shri Ram.